Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. And today we're going to talk about something that you guys been talking about in the comments on my last video, and that is the Chevelle. It looks like we got a Chevelle coming soon, but it's not going to be by GM, so we're going to talk about it. Okay, man, so we're gonna jump straight into this, man. So the Chevelle that I'm talking about, man, is not being built by GM. I know that probably threw you guys off, but this is real. The information I'm coming to you is real, and this is like crazy. I gotta switch topic real quick. Like, this is bipolar weather, as y'all can see. Like, it's cloudy right here, so I gotta hurry up and do my content, but it's like nice blue skies right here, and then behind me it's nice right there. But we're gonna talk about the Chevelle, man. So the Chevelle is not being built by GM, but it's built by a third-party company called Trans Am Worldwide, which is being built in Tallahassee, Florida. So this Chevelle, as I'm going to be talking about and share with you guys, the pics is coming on the screen, man. The information is coming on the screen, man. I'm not getting sponsored by them or none of that. This is just me doing my due diligence, because I know in my last video you guys was talking about like what different models GM should bring back. In the last video you guys said they should bring back the Nova. A lot of people said they should bring back the Chevelle. Some people, like when I made my suggestion on like, oh, they should bring back the Buick, y'all said we don't want to ride a Buick. Even though I feel like the Grand National set its tone in the game, and it just like destroyed the Corvette and the Camaro back in its time. Y'all guys didn't want to, y'all wasn't feeling that, but that was my opinion, because based on this whole lineup when this car was being born, we seen, y'all can't even lie, y'all haven't seen no Chevrolet Camaro, but y'all seen, or Chevrolet commercials, but y'all seen a lot of Buick commercials. So that's in my way of thinking, like, yeah, they may do something with that platform and bring out a performance segment of it. But back to the Chevelle, man. New variant of the Chevelle that's coming out is called the 70SS. That's what Trans Am Worldwide is naming their Chevelle, or their version of the Chevelle, and they're gonna come in three variants. They have the base model, they call it, but keep in mind, even though they call it the base model price is really not a base model, but that's what they're calling it. The second one is going to be the Heritage edition, and then the third one is going to be a limited LSX LS6 edition, man. So I got it pulled up on my screen here, and this is what they said what comes in the base model. So the base model going to come with the same horsepower that the 1970 LS6 version came out with, which is 450. Really, it's going to be 455, because what they're doing here in the base model, they're giving you the LT motor. So either in the base model, you're going to go with the LT1 that was in this platform, or you're going to get the LT4. So you got those two options in the base model. Horsepower going to be the same out the factory. So pretty much they're taking the crate engines from GM, put in their car, and with their new Chevelle kit, it's going to come with a full-blown, full carbon fiber body kit. So this is where it's going to get interesting, and it's not going to be available for most people because of the starting price. The starting price, if you guys want to know, this just for the base model is $175K. Yes, I said it right. 175 with 3 zeros on the side. That's how much it's going to cost, man. But it's full carbon fiber. It got iconic cowl inductions. It got the hood, the rally stripes. It got all that stuff that you like on the Chevelle. It has that. And they did a good job keeping that retro vibe to it, man. That's something I do like about it. Also, it comes with like their own standard, and I'm sharing it on the screen. It do come in the auto, and it comes in a manual, so that's up to you. However you want it, they got it for you guys. So, and it's going to be that good Tremec 6-speed that came in the Camaros. So it's nice. The inside is going to have like the Camaro feel a little bit. The steering wheel, based on the pictures as I'm sharing on the screen here and what I have seen, is going to have that Corvette steering wheel type of vibe, but everything else is custom. And base model wise, it comes with a lot of features. But I'm not going to go through that. I just share it on the screen for you guys and drop a link in the description so you guys can go check it out and read up on yourself. So the second one they got is the 70s SS Heritage model. So within that one, it's the same setup, but the difference is there that I have on the screen is they going with a retro seat package to mimic the Chevelle look. Also within that package there, you get the stripes, you get the rally wheels, you get more color options. You're going to get like a significant color option on the Heritage, which I think is going to be that green that came out on the Chevelle. They're going to give you that black and gold that came out on the Chevelle, and whatever other limited colors they came with that. But this one here is going to be in the 800 to 900 wheel power range, and they're going to give you a 396 motor supercharged with 800 rear wheel horsepower, or they're going to give you that same variant that's going to be twin turbo at 900 horsepower, man. So that is crazy that the Heritage model is coming out from this company, man. They doing big things, but it don't stop there. It don't stop there, man, because they got one more model, and this is limited. They call this a limited edition, and you guys already know when it comes to Chevelle, everybody like that 454. Just hands down. I mean, I didn't even like that 454. So their 454 is a limited edition, and with this, man, like, y'all not gonna believe the horsepower. If I told you it was 800 and 900, man, like the horsepower for this new segment, if you want the 454 supercharged, it's gonna be 900, the 454 edition. The next one is going to be, as I'm looking here before my phone decided to act up on me, 1,000. 454 edition is gonna be 1,000 horsepower, right? And then on top of that, as we just finished loading up here, my phone acting all crazy when I should have took a screenshot of this. The last one is going to be 1,200 to 1,500 horsepower, man. So that is going to be crazy. Of course, all these cars are going to come with a nice warranty coming from Trans Am Worldwide, but you got these three different Chevelles that look like it's coming to the market soon, real soon. And you guys asked for, like, you want a Chevelle. If you guys really want a Chevelle, there you go. This company, Trans Am Worldwide, is bringing it to you, man. And every one of these is going to be unique, but every one of these is going to be full carbon fiber. Every one of these is going to have the nice trim for it, where the outside is really going to look like it, as I'm sharing on the screen as I'm talking to you guys. These are some of the pictures, like other 70s SS, that's what they're calling it. So you guys let me know what you think as we just looking through the pictures on the screen here. Would you guys get this Chevelle? Is it within your price range? Or would you rather just get it from GM itself? Like, you don't want to have another company make it. You want GM warranty. You want GM to, like, put their stamp on it. And you want GM, like, to put a whole new block if they're going to do a 70s Chevelle remake. Because that's what this company did. But I feel like since GM is stepping out of the performance segment and focused on the Corvette, this is what you got. This is what you left with, man. So y'all check it out, man. I'm probably gonna do another video breaking it down each two, because I see not a lot of people talking about it on the internet, and I feel like this is something to bring up to people based on these times that we're in, because these cars are iconic. GM makes some iconic cars, but we know GM is cutting off cars and they just trying to go EV, and the whole world not feeling that EV segment as of now. So we trying to, like, keep that brand. There's a lot of people that's loyal to the brand and so forth, and what they should do next, what should be the next hottest thing. So that is going to wrap this video up, man. Let me know what y'all guys think about that Chevelle coming from the company, man, and y'all thoughts on it. Like, would you cop it, or would you just drop it and be like, nah, that's not it? So y'all drop a comment below, and y'all like cars like these, y'all know what to do. Follow the MOC. That's 100 Gang Nate, Race Car Friends, and Q the Chaotic. And like that, I'm out.